Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, so help me God.
All right, thank you. So have a seat, please.
All right, step by step. You heard the knock on the door, what did you do?
I went to the door, and I thought it was Brooklyn coming back. As soon as I opened the door, standing in front of me is an officer. Me and the officer, we make eye contact. I attempt to tell him to get back. And in my state of mind, not thinking logically, I stepped outside and opened the screen and stepped out onto the porch to tell him to get back even farther.
Questions?
Now, when you opened that door, you didn't just open it and stand there, did you?
I opened the door and looked around, ma'am.
No, you didn't. You stepped to the side and you opened the door. You weren't standing in the doorway when that door opened.
I looked around, ma'am.
We can watch the video. You opened the door, you took the door open, and it was at least a couple of seconds before you stepped into the doorway. Isn't that correct?
I do not know, ma'am.
Now, one of the things that you told Dr. Toppins is that you had the element of surprise,
Yes, ma'am.
and that you had beat them to the trigger.
Yes, ma'am.
That's right. And that you were the one who had to jump on them, right?
If we're going by the facts of the situation, yes, ma'am, that is true.
That is what you said. So how is it that you're reacting to something where you have the benefit of the element of surprise?
Because, ma'am, I'm using hindsight when I'm talking to Dr. Toppins. I'm not using the current situation. In hindsight, all of those things are factual and true.
Now, let's talk about factual and true, because you said you could never hurt Brooklyn, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
But you strangled her.
Yes, ma'am, that was the first time I'd ever put my hands on her.